See, the lesson is basic of Python programs. Here in this lesson, we are going to revise, you can say, Python like basics. Okay. So here you are able to see Python 3.0 was released in 2008. Although this version is supposed to be backward compatible, later on may of its importance features have been backport to be compatible with version 2.7. Meaning is it like this version is installed or this version is like released in 2008, and firstly we were doing our programming in 2.7. Okay, there are basic differences in between both, like commands were different, but the person who is having command on 2.7, they can work easily on 3.0 also, right? Because there is a little bit difference, not you can say it was very minor difference. If you understand the like basic norms, then you can work with it easily, right? After that, it is given Python characteristic set. See, in Python or in computer language, in computer language, we use only like binary language, bit and byte in form of 0 and 1. 0 is for off bit and 1 is for on bit. Right? So, see, it is given Python used the traditional ASCII character set. Right? What is meaning of ASCII? ASCII stands for American Standards Code for Information Interchange. It is an organization which is used for, you can say, for to convert a number in its Unicode, right? Because every number, like every it can be any character, it can be any digit, or it can be any symbol, right? For everything in computer language, there is a specific word or a specific meaning. Understand? So that is used for communication, you can say, or you can say to like if you are using computer, so it is required to be used with that particular like software, understand, or that particular language. So only computer will understand only binary language. So first of all, any language is converted in ASCII code or Unicode, and after that it is computer understandable. See, it is given later can be start from capital A or capital Z, A to capital Z, and it can be small a to small z, right? And after this, there can be digit 0 to 9, any digit can be there. Special symbols, what are the special symbols actually? Special symbols available over keyboard. कीबोर्ड पे जो भी आपके स्पेशल सिंबल होते हैं, like your see in your keyboard there are many like symbols. All symbols have a particular meaning or particular like number, right? See, after that it is given input and output, right? See, few example of variables are given over here, like variable 1, variable 2. What is here? Variable 1. Variable 1, you can say, variable is a space in computer memory which locate your like डेटा, जो भी डेटा हम लोग कंप्यूटर के अंदर सेव करते हैं और वी यूज इन आवर प्रोग्राम, दैट विल सेव समवेयर इन फॉर्म ऑफ वेरिएबल, right? You can say it is a block of memory which store the value. So here it is given where 1 is equal to computer science, where 2 is equal to informatics practices, right? After that we are printing it where 1 and where 2, right? We have done it before also, But now onwards, again we are going to see it with example, right? So what you will do? You will open Python ideally. Simply you will open Python ideally. Let it open. See, like this. We will open Python ideally like this, and like 1 minute. Hmm. We will simply open Python ideally, and we will perform that operation which we have seen over here. So here we will go first of all in script mode. Where? Script mode, because any program, if we want to write and save it, then that will be done in script mode only, right? So here we are going to write the same program. See here, var1 equal, we will write in double quote. What is sentence? Computer science. You can write any word, whatever you want. You can take your name also. Computer science. And here we have taken var2 is equal informatics practices. This is our subject name. Informatics practices. Okay. So now we are going to print it. We will print it, print, and here we will print it var1, comma. We want add in between, so add we will take as statement, and comma var2. See, every variable which we will take, that will be in form of, you know, whatever we have written in variable, whether it is in capital or small, the same word we are using in output. Okay, if there will be any difference, then it will not it will not print, means we will not get output of that. Understand? So see, I have just pressed F5. F5 we will press to run that command, right? To get the output of our program. So we are going to save it. It is our first program, so I have written it. Mm, Let me save it var .py. Already one file is there, so no problem. We are getting replaced here, and see the result is coming. Understand? Meaning is it simply we have taken a variable, right? We have taken a variable and we have stored computer science in it, and after that we have taken another variable and we have stored another value in it. The value can be anything, right? The value can be anything. I have written here like computer science and information practices, informatics practices, we are getting the result like this, right? Like if we are writing here our name here, suppose I am writing my name here, and here in place of var1 I have written name, right? Here var2 I have written S name, right? Surname. Okay. And surname I have written here Misra. Okay. Now here at place of var1 I have taken name, so I will write name, and place of var2 I have written S name. Now I have taken S name. Same, right? And is not required over here. So we will take only one comma. Understand? And now we will run it. Let's see what is coming. See, the name which I have given, that is printed. right? The name which we have given, that is printed. So in this way, we can use commands and perform whatever is required, right? See, in next example, it is given age is equal to int raw input, enter your age, percentage float raw input, enter percentage. See, it is written here raw input shows it is written in 2.7, right? The version uh, is used here, that is 2.7. Instead of input function, there we have used raw input. Now see, downside it is given input function in Python allows a user to give input to a program from a keyboard but return the value accordingly, right? Input function का use हम लोग input कराने के लिए use करेंगे और उसका output जो होगा accordingly आएगा, right? Now see next what is given here, age is equal to int input, enter your age, c is equal to age plus 2. Here we can print c, right? When we will print c, then we will get the desired output. So let's see, we will perform the same operation here again, so it will be more clear. See, I have taken age is equal to int input, and after that we have to write the statement here. Statement means what? Enter your age. It will be print. When we will run the program, it will get printed. And next is written here, c is equal to age plus 2. So age is also a variable where we are giving our age, and c is also a variable where we are adding 2 in age, right? So simply we have written it. After that we will run this program. Once we will run this, it will ask for age. So what is age? Suppose I have written here 36. So it is adding 2 in it and printing it. Understand? So this way we have done the next program. Right? So now these are the basic things, like your concept should be clear. That's why I am repeating it again and again. Now again we are going back in the same program which we have done earlier. See. Yes. Now it is given indentation. What is indentation actually? So it is given indentation refers to the space applied at the beginning of a code line in other programming language. The indentation code is for readability only, right? Like see, here you are able to see if 3 is greater than 2, colon, after that getting print, there is 3 is greater than 2. It is showing error, syntax error due to not indent, right? आप लोग इसको करके देखिए तो आपको और क्लियर समझ में आएगा, right? इसको हम लोग करते हैं यहाँ पे. See here, I have just copied it and we are able to see it. Wait a minute. Then we will run it. See, it is getting, we are getting error, expected an indent block, right? We are getting error now. So if we want to remove that error, then we will give 4 space here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again we will print it. Invalid. Okay. It is showing invalid. So we will see it once again. 1 minute. Why it is showing? Because sign is sign was wrong, right? Now we will again run it. See, now it is printing. Understand? So we have to take care of these things also.